Rayao ni Ilocano.
Back when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father would lift me high and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was in love. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him, I'll play a song that would never, ever end. How I'd love, love, love to dance with my father again.
Rayao
ni Ilocano. When I and my mother would disagree, to get my way I would draw from her to him. It made me laugh just to comfort me, and finally made up the night when I was asleep. Later that night when I was asleep, he left a dollar under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me. If I could steal one final glance, one final step, one final dance with him, I'll play a song that would never, ever end. 'Cause I'd love, love, love to dance with my father again. Sometimes I'd listen outside her door, and I hear my mother cry for him. I pray for her even more than me. I pray for her even more than me. Too much, but could you send back the only mention of? I know you don't do it usually, but dear Lord, she's dying to dance with my father again. Fall asleep. This is all I ever dreamed.
Rayao
Yan, Rayao ni Ilocano.